So now we will try basic dimensioning in Rhino. Go to your drafting tab. Here. The first icon here will give you linear dimension, meaning vertical and horizontal. This will give you a line dimension, angle, radius, diameter. Okay, that's the basic one. So I already showed you how to get these dimensions. So let's try to get these dimensions. Okay, before that, right, because the parts are all not aligned, so let's try to align them up. Okay, let's group the objects. So once you group, I will share with you another new tool called align. Type align. So I want to align the bar to the bottom of this drawing. So type bottom, so click on the bottom. Alignment point will be bottom. So all these, right, if you click align across, it will be aligned to the bottom. Okay, similar to the previous one, let's align all these up. Before that, you need to group it. Okay, select every single thing, type align to the bottom of the rectangle. Again, you can see the difference. So now all of the drawings will be aligned. So next, let's shift them a little bit lower. Okay, now you can put in the dimensions. Go back to drafting tab, click on the linear. So now I create a dimensions. I need the dimensions for this vertically. Click here again for the horizontal. Okay, how do I get that 20? It's from this end to center of this circle. How do I get this 17.5? Is from this end to the center of the circle again. How do I get this diameter? Will be this icon. Click on this icon, just drag it out. So now I get 15. Okay, for this one, I need a radius, diameter. So go to your diameter first. Okay, click on the circles, drag it out. Click on this again. Oops, wrong one. Click on this one, drag it down. Okay, the next one will be the radius. Okay, click on the edge. Click on this edge. Next will be the vertical and horizontal. Click on this edge and find the edge by the end. Click N, and you will have these dimensions. Okay, a rule of thumb when you do dimensioning, the lines, try not to touch the artwork, because if not, it will be confusing. Especially for this, because if both of them are in black, you won't know which one is the drawing, which one is this, which one is the dimensions. So what we'll do, we go to standard, select edit points, select the point, drag it slightly lower. Okay, similar to this, shortcut will be F10, select the points, enter. Oops, sorry. Type move. Alright. So this way, the reader will not be confused by the dimensioning. He will know exactly which one is the part drawing, which one is the dimensions. Okay, similar for the third one. If it's touching, the reader might get confused which one is the part drawing, which one is the dimensions. So again, shortcut F10, click on the edge, press M to move, we drag it slightly lower, press escape to escape from the command. Okay, this one we need to move it F10, select the edge, type M to move, and then move it slightly out. Okay, the dimensions are all real time. So let's say, for example, if you press F10 and you decide to move this, if you can see, the dimensions value will adjust real time. That is just to share. Okay, so the next one, how do we get all these dimensions out? Go to your drafting again, go to your linear dimensions, click from N to N, N to N, N to N, slightly lower, N to N. This one will be confusing, so we delete, select N to N, bring it slightly lower. Okay, the next one we need is diameter and radius. So the radius, okay, so let's say, for example, if you type this, okay, this is the diameter. Okay, so the diameter, the center of the diameter is fine, but the center of the radius will be confusing. So we delete this, we use a leader instead. So from the leader, we click on the mid or anywhere near. Okay, we draw a line, click across, drag it again, press enter when done. So now we can input a text, which is R 10.00. So R 10.00, and then you press enter. Oh, okay. So you have this radius there without the center of the lines. Again, to avoid confusion, we will move the dimension line. Select the points, press M, move it slightly out, select the points, press M, move slightly out. This one and this one we need to move also. F10 shortcut, select the points to move, press M, and then move it. So the next one, select the points, press shift to select both, and then press M to move. Okay, there you have it. Okay, so the top one will be much easier, because why? You just need the length and the width. So the length is 60, the width is 30. Okay, sorry, the width will be 40. Okay, so take note, this one is touching. F10, select the edge of the point here, and then just move it so that it won't touch. Okay, so the next one will be this. We need to click on the linear dimensions again, select the end to end, end to end. Okay, to get that 5 mm we select from this end to this end, and this end to this end. Okay, for this, the dimension does not touch, so it's fine. It won't be confusing. Okay, for this one, we select the end to the end, we get 20. How we get 10 is from the midpoint to the end point, 10. Okay, this will be confusing. Why? Because the lines are touching. So we need to select both, press F10. Okay, select the points, and then move it out. Okay, this one again, F10, select the points to move, and push it out. Okay, this one, we just need to select linear dimension again. Select, drag it out, select, drag it out. Select, drag it out, select, drag it out. This one is fine because it's not teaching, because it's not touching. So let's just double check the works. So once it's fine, do not forget to save your file again because you need to submit at the end of this semester.